Hello, my dear members. Please note the following points. Number one, selection of optional subjects is very important. Highly significant step. 600 marks, half marks. 1200 marks written, so 600 marks are optional. So this is 50% CSS exam. So please don't make a wrong decision. If you are not 100% sure, so discuss with me so that we can finalize your selection of optional subjects with mutual consent. Now, this is tip number one, that you must think over it again and again and again. Read the list that I have given. Read the past papers so that you make your mind. It may take 1 week, 2 weeks, no problem. But think over it. We have different optional subjects and we have different groups. Now, group number one is accountancy and auditing, 200 marks, economics, 200 marks, computer science, 200 marks, political science, 200 marks, international relations, 200 marks. So if you are in accountancy and auditing, you have already done MBA or CA, so go for it. Economics, if you have done masters or you have studied this in BS level, go for it. Computer science, again, you must have a degree. Otherwise, don't go for these three subjects. For political science and international relations, if you don't have master degree or bachelor degree, still you can go for it because these two subjects are general. Now, which one in these two, political science or IR? So if you are a theoretical minded person, you are good in theory, so go for political science. If you are more practical kind of person, you write concrete, solid things, then go for international relations. So you can take 200 from group 1. If you have master bachelor degree, accountancy, auditing, economics, computer science. If not, political science or IR. Physics, chemistry, applied mathematics, pure mathematics, statistics, geology. Group 2, you must have a degree. If you don't have a degree, never go for any subject out of group 2. Group 3, you can select 100 marks only. Business administration, MBA, BBA, otherwise no. Public administration, governance and public policies, town planning and urban management. If you have no degree, you can go for it. All these three subjects, public aid, governance, public policies, town planning and urban management, they are equally easy, very concrete, very solid syllabus. But I will recommend more governance and public policies. Town planning is also not bad, urban management, public aid is also very good. And I advise you that you must take one of these three subjects because this will be your real work. When you will become bureaucrat, provincial or federal bureaucrat, so your work will be public administration, governance and public policies, town planning and urban management. In your Viva, if you have read these three subjects, one of these three subjects, so you will get a plus point because that will be your real job. So you have done the theory. Now when you sit in your office, you will be implementing that theory in practical form. Now, group 4, history of Pakistan and India, Islamic history and culture, British history, European history, history of USA. No need of any degree. No need of any background knowledge. These are interesting subjects. I will go especially for history of USA or history of Pakistan and India. One of these two. Islamic history is also very interesting. If you have read books on Islamic history in the past, so go for it. British history and European history a bit complicated, but still interesting. So you can go one subject from the history if you like history and you enjoy history. Group number 5, gender studies, environmental sciences, agriculture and forestry. For these three, there is no need of degree. You can study these on your own. For botany, zoology, English literature, Urdu literature, you must have a bachelor or master degree. Otherwise, these are highly technical subjects. Out of these three, gender studies, environmental sciences, and agriculture and forestry, these three are equally easy, equally interesting. So you can go for anyone. I will recommend agriculture and forestry or gender studies. Environmental sciences is again very important subject, so not that bad. Group 4, law, constitutional law, international law, Muslim law and jurisprudence, mercantile law, criminology, philosophy. I will highly recommend philosophy. Philosophy is a very easy course, very clear syllabus. Paper is also very easy. So philosophy, go for philosophy, number 1. Number 2, criminology. If you have law background, go for the law subjects, otherwise no. International law is again technical, but I will not recommend if you don't have law background. So go for philosophy or criminology out of this subject if you are not a law graduate. Philosophy I will specially recommend. This is my favorite subject. Criminology is also my favorite subject, but philosophy is so interesting, you will enjoy it. Group 4, journalism and mass communication, very good subject, very concrete, solid. Psychology, geography, sociology, anthropology, Punjabi, Sindhi, Pashto, Baluchi, Persian, Arabic. If you have some background of Persian, Persian was my own subject, so I can help you more. If regional languages you are good, so go for Pashto, Sindhi, one of these. Psychology, very interesting subject. Journalism, again very interesting. So sociology, very interesting. So what can be a good combination? If you take 200 IR or political science, you take 100 governance and public policies. So this is 300. You take gender studies 100 or environmental sciences 100. USA another 100. History or Indo-Pak history. You go for philosophy or criminology, very good subjects 100. And Pashto, Punjabi, regional languages are journalism and mass communication. So you have your 600 marks. So I just wanted to start this discussion with you. If you have not yet selected 100%, so here in this group, in this subject, you listen to my other 2 lectures also on selection of optional subjects, your interest, your background, but go through the this list as well as past papers. Ask me questions, your background, so we can decide it together. Thank you.